200 people live in a village. 23 people do not have a garden. 10 males do not have a garden. 95 people are male. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. So one of the things we'll need to know when completing a frequency tree is if there are 200 people living in this village, then each of these columns will add up to 200. So now we can start by filling in the information we've been given in the question. So 23 people do not have a garden. So we can fill in this circle here with 23. The next piece of information we've been given in the question is that 10 males do not have a garden. So we'll look at the side of the people who do not have a garden and then those who are male, and we can fill this in as 10. Now the final bit of information we've been told in the question is that 95 people are male. So if the number of people who do not have a garden and are male is 10, and there are 95 males in total, then what this means is that the number of males who do have a garden, which will be this circle here, will be 85. And we can see if we add 85 and 10 together, we'll get an answer of 95. So we can now fill in the rest of this frequency tree from the information which we've filled in. So we can first start off with the number of females who do not have a garden. So if there are 23 people in total who do not have a garden, and 10 of them are male, then what this means is that 13 of them will be female. So next we know that 200 people live in this village. 23 of them do not have a garden. Therefore, 200 minus 23 of them will have a garden, which gives us 177 people. And now in order to fill in this final circle, the number of females which do have a garden, we know that 177 people do have a garden and 85 of them are male. So therefore, if we do 177 minus 85, this gives us an answer of 92. So therefore we know that 92 females do have a garden. Now this question is worth 3 marks, and we'll get all 3 marks for filling in this frequency tree correctly. One of the people who does not have a garden is chosen at random. Write down the probability that this person is female. So from the frequency tree which we filled in from part A, we can see that the number of people who do not have a garden is 23. And then the number of people who are female, who also do not have a garden, is 13. So we want the probability that this person is female. So there are 23 people who do not have a garden, and 13 of these 23 people are female. So this means the probability that this person is female is 13 over 23. And this question is worth 2 marks, and we'll get 1 mark for getting the numerator value correct, and the second mark for the denominator value being correct.